Hello students of class 9. So today in this video I'll be teaching you a very beautiful poem by Sarojini Naidu, and the name of the poem is Gift of India. So please take out your book, page number 105. The name of the poem is Gift of India. So before we start the poem, I would like to tell you some important information about the author Sarojini Naidu. But who was Sarojini Naidu? So Sarojini Naidu, I hope you can see the board. Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was an Indian political activist. She was a poet. She fought for the Indian freedom, and this poem, Gift of India, is written in the year 1915. 1915 this poem was written. Why? It was written because at that point of time, First World War was going on. So First World War, World War First, 1914 to 1918. This was the time period for the First World War, and she wrote this poem to convey us one message, that war is something which is futile, war is something which is brutal, ruthless, and it does not bring any happiness. It can only bring sadness, it can only bring death, grief, and all the bad and sad emotions in our mind. So we will start with the poem The Gift of India. So this is Sarojini Naidu, and she was also called the Nightingale of India because in her poem we find a lot of lyrics we find a lot of imagery, and those imagery are quite rich. Well, what is imagery? She has used a lot of languages which are quite rich. She has used rich languages, and those languages are put in such a way that it makes the story more colorful. It makes the poem more colorful. It makes this poem more bright, and it helps us to envision the poem in our mind in such a way as if everything is happening in front of our eyes. So let us start with the poem The Gift of India. So I'm rubbing this portion. So now coming to the poem Sarojini Naidu's Gift of India. First stanza, is there aught you need that my hands withhold, rich gifts of raiment or grain or gold? Lo, I have flung to the east and the west, priceless treasures torn from my bare breast, and yielded the sons of my stricken womb to the drum beats of duty, the sabres of doom. So the very poem starts with a question that is asked by Sarojini Naidu. And here Sarojini Naidu, she is the voice of all the Indian mothers. She is the voice of the Mother India, and she is asking the British that is there aught you need that my hands withhold? Aught means anything. So she is asking that is there anything else you need that my hands withhold, that my hands is holding? Rich gifts of raiment or grain or gold. So Sarojini Naidu, she's the tone of the poet in the first line is that she is full of anger, she is full of sadness, and she is asking the British, what else do you need from me? I, as in the Mother India has given rich gifts of raiment. India was always full of rich resources. India is known for rich resources, and so Sarojini Naidu is saying that Mother India has given everything that you needed. Mother India has given rich gifts of raiment. Raiment means clothes. Mother India has given clothes. Mother India has given grain, gold, all the expensive things are given by Mother India, and also priceless treasures torn from my breast. So priceless treasures here means the Indian soldiers. So priceless treasure means the Indian soldiers who sacrificed their lives in the foreign countries. Who sacrificed their lives in the foreign countries. So here Sarojini Naidu is saying that I have given everything, this Mother India has given everything to you, and we have given the most priceless treasure, that is our Indian soldiers, the mother. All the mothers have given their sons, their one and only sons, to fight for your battle. And ill-did means surrender, and surrender the sons of my stricken womb to the drumbeats of duty, the sabres of doom. Drumbeats of duty means call of duty, and sabres of doom means the carved blade. It's a sharp, it's a blade, or I can say it's a sword with a sharp and carved blade. So Sarojini Naidu is saying that Mother India has given not only clothes, grain or gold, but Mother India has also given the most priceless treasure, that is the Indian sons. Indian sons, Indian soldiers have sacrificed their lives for you people, for the British people. They were fighting someone else's battle. So what else do you need? So this is the question of a mother to a British, that a mother has surrendered her one and only son. That is something which is which is expensive than anything else. The loss of a mother. You can never do anything to lessen or to reduce the pain of a mother who has lost her son. So, in the first stanza, the poet Sarojini Naidu, she is asking this question with anger to the British, that what else do you need? I have given my son to you. My sons are dead. So, what else do you need? So, this is a kind of rhetorical question which doesn't have any answer, because this question, the British people, nobody has any answer to this question, because the British, at that point of time when India was under the British control, the British had taken away everything from India, not only the rich resources of India, but also the sons, the only sons of the mother. They have forcibly taken all the Indian soldiers to fight their battle in the foreign countries. So this is the explanation of the first stanza. Next stanza, gathered like pearls in their alien graves, silent they sleep by the Persian waves. Scattered like shells in Egyptian sands, they lie with pale brows and brave broken hands. So in the second stanza, the poet Sarojini Naidu is describing the soldiers who are lying dead in the foreign countries. The First World War, it was fought in the foreign countries like Flanders, France, in the eastern western countries. And so she is describing the dead bodies which are lying scattered here and there in the Egyptian sands in the foreign countries. So the second stanza is all about the horror images of war, and she has intensified the images of war in the second stanza to let us know that war is something which is ruthless, brutal, and war does not bring any happiness. So in my next video, I shall continue with the second and the rest of the stanzas. So as of now, take care all of you, and thank you.